Sette Design. Welcome to my studio. Woo! Here in Napa Valley. And next week I'm going to bring you here and teach you how to do egg yolk tempura. Just with items you can find around the house. It's really fun and easy. And right now I'm going to take you to a job site I did this week where I convinced the client to paint their porches light. So if you have a front porch or back porch, you're considering painting light, follow along. It's going to be a big transformation. Anyways, look how much better. That's what convinced the client to go with a pale, it's our favorite kind of a stone pietra, bone colored. It's got more beige than gray. But it's a good beige. Isn't it pretty? And then it's got nice. Here's the deck, which I've power sanded down to get rid of the flaky part. Not all of it, obviously. And now I'm going to put primer over the wood, exposed wood, and patch it. Like, some of it's going to be too deep to patch, but there's little ones I can do to make it better. I'm going to use this Stix Primer because on the wood, on the bare wood, so it helps it to be more waterproof. There's my, where I try to fix the patches. But I'm using that Stix because this deck is like vinyl. Pretty sure it's like a vinyl or some kind of plastic. And I know from painting mobile homes that Stix product just is great for non-wood. Okay, I'm not doing this very well and filming, but you get the idea. Get wherever there's that wood. And it goes on so easy. And then the primer is good for the patch too. I've got primer where needed, and then I am just cutting it out with the brush. I'm going to go over twice because then I can just roll it out with a pole, with the extension pole, and it'll be easy. But first I'm going to do it twice. What you don't want is to get the wall, obviously. You know, the house. drying, one coat, plus patches of primer. It's coming along. Hey, like and subscribe. If you're obsessed with home decor, interiors, art, and if you love to paint, then consider liking and subscribing, and hit the bell, because otherwise YouTube just might not even tell you about my videos. I think it's important to hit the bell. Like, subscribe, bell. Look, you're gonna love me or hate me. I brought my cappuccino. Hey, hi. I'm here at night. The sun's going down because the sun never got off this deck, and so I had to come at night. Look at the sunset. Oh, you can't even see that pink. That sky is pink. No, not. Oh, there we go. In the vineyard. Okay. I just rolled out. It will chip later. I'll show you why. Okay, so when it looks like this, it's gonna chip again. That's down to more raw concrete, less finished. You know, more rough, not raw. And so that's, you need to treat it before you ever paint it. And since it had already been painted, it was too late to treat it. But it still looks better. And the door's coming along now too. It's a pretty green. I'll put that green in the comments too, or in the description. And there's the vineyard. The one that looks the best is this one with the wide planks, real wood. Real wood always looks better than fake wood, in my opinion. So pretty! Eccoci qua. I like the tile, wood to tile too. And here it is from this view. Now, can't you imagine that you can just, there's the fan, so I still need to do the roof, or the portico. But imagine with like a sofa or a big armchair with slip covers. Could put a rug out here, or do yoga in the morning, in the evening at the sunset. So pretty. Still have to do the railing.